Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account region and ensuring your console is up to date. Once done, secure a payment method or buy a region-specific gift card for the target country because Xbox enforces local billing. Make sure to back up saves and sign out of subscriptions that may conflict. This initial prep avoids lost purchases and billing errors, and it lets you switch region settings with confidence, so proceed to creating or adjusting account details right away. You can change your Microsoft account country on the web, but note limits and waiting periods. If blocked, create a new account set to the target country. Once you have the right region, add the local payment method or redeem the region-specific gift card. The store validates billing address against payment. Make sure your console is signed into that account and set as Home Xbox if needed. This ensures subscriptions and Game Pass entitlements apply to your console. Now purchase or redeem the Game Pass for the target region and confirm the charge in local currency. Activation happens in the account you used. Once active, set that account as your Home Xbox to share the subscription with other profiles. If something fails, clear the console cache, sign out and back in, confirm the billing address matches the payment, and check regional waiting periods or payment restrictions. If problems persist, use a new account with correct region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.